Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update for you. I've been working on this project forever, since 2018, August 19th, 2018, and it's going to keep going for a long time. So this is all about the TV show Supernatural. I am attempting to paint a product for every single episode that ever aired. I need to find a product to link to each episode. It is not easy because the premise of Supernatural doesn't really fit a whole lot with beauty products, which makes it a little bit interesting to try to stretch and find things that will fit each episode. And that's what I'm doing. I used to do really hard goals and things went slow. Really slow. And then I realized with 15 seasons, I need to pick up the pace if I don't want to be doing this when I'm 90 years old. So I have done easier goals now, so that's what we're doing. I don't want them too easy, but I don't want them to be too hard either. So that's kind of the gist of what this project is. 6 episodes and products at a time, all based on the television show Supernatural, all 15 seasons. I originally started this with Amanda. If you guys have been around for that long, and I know some of you have, some people have joined in along the way, jumped in for a little bit, jumped out for a little bit. Some people have been here for a very long time doing it. Everyone that I'm aware of that is doing this project is going to be linked down below. So if you want to go check them out, they're going to be linked down there. If you're doing it, or you want to do it, or you know someone that's doing it that's not linked down below, please let me know so I can go check them out and get them put in my description box. Alright, I think I got all of the details out of the way. I probably forgot something, so there's going to be a whole bunch of info down there in the description box. But I'm going to go and do the actual update because, you know, you just never know what's going to happen with me. So I am in season 7, and I'm very happy to say that I have 2 rollouts this update, which is very exciting to me. So I'm just going to go in order of episode, and then I will talk about the 2 new roll-ins. So season 7, episode 18, that is called Party on Garth, and I have the Coastal Scents Hot Pot and Peach brew for that episode for 3 uses. I've only used it once, so I still need to get 2 uses on this one. It is not in my current makeup basket. If it was in my current makeup basket, I probably would have worn it today, but you know, I'll be filming my makeup basket tomorrow, and I'll probably put it in then. Next is season 7, episode 19 of Grave Importance, and I chose the Looksy eyeshadow in the shade Ghosted, also in for 3 uses. Also, I've only used this once because they go really well together, and when one is in my makeup basket, the other one is. Next is going to be season 7, episode 20, The Girl with the Dungeons and Dragons Tattoo. That is such a funny name. And I had the Cleona Cosmetics nail polish in the shade Dragantini. Very pretty shade. I actually have this on my toes right now over a really deep red, and it's so cool looking. But I'm not going to show you my toes on camera because that would be weird, and I'm not going to do that. But suffice it to say, it looks really cool. I had it in for 3 uses. I got my 3rd use when I put it on my toes, and this one is rolling out. I'm going to miss it, but it's not going anywhere. It's just going back in my drawer. I will use it again someday. Alright, next, season 7, episode 21, Reading is Fundamental. Reading is fundamental. Apparently speaking isn't, but you know, that's just me. I have the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Baked Clay in for 3 uses. Guess how many times I've used it? Once, and it's not in my makeup basket because it goes with these. I have all 3 shades go really well together, and I need to put them in my next makeup basket. So you'll be seeing a look with those colors probably in the next week or so. Just saying, has to be done. The next one I'm actually wearing today, that is for season 7, episode 22, There Will Be Blood. And I have the Pat McGrath Eye Ecstasy Subversive Palette, and I have the shade Blue Blood, which is this right here, in for 3 uses. I actually used it for the first time today. I have it like in my outer V area. It's a beautiful shade, and it is, like I said, in my current makeup basket. That's why I got used today. And now it is going to go, probably not be in my makeup basket for next week, but it got used today. It can wait another week or two to get some more use. Very last one that I'm going to talk about that was from last update is Season 7, Episode 23, Survival of the Fittest. And I had the ColourPop Witching Hour Hocus Pocus palette. Hocus Pocus Witching Hour palette, I think is the way it is supposed to be said. And I had the shade Underground in for 3 uses. And that is this gold shade right here. And I definitely got all 3 uses on that. I really enjoyed that one quite a bit. You guys probably saw it in my makeup baskets. I like it. Gold is really easy. It goes with so much stuff. And yeah, three uses was very easy for me to get. All right, now I need to roll into things because I have this palette with the gold shade rolling out, and then I have Cleona Dragantini rolling out. So 2 more episodes need to come in. And the really cool thing about it is the next 2 episodes are the first 2 in Season 8. I'm kind of excited that we're moving on to Season 8. I know, I still have some Season 7, but it's only a matter of time. So I am going to go over to Wikipedia, and I'm going to give you the synopsis for each one of those episodes, and I'll show you which product I'm bringing in for each episode. So Season 8, Episode 1 is We Need to Talk About Kevin. And the synopsis is Dean escapes purgatory along with a vampire named Benny, pardon me, and travels to the safe house in Whitefish, Montana, where he meets up with Sam, who gave up the family business while Dean was gone. The boys discover Prophet Kevin Tran has escaped from Crowley and is on the run with the Word of God tablet. Kevin tells them that the tablet contains a spell that can close the gates of hell forever. Crowley demands that Kevin come with him and return the tablet, but Kevin once again outwits him and escapes with the Winchesters. Crowley then unalives Kevin's girlfriend, Channing, to spite Kevin. I know I had to use that weird word, unalive, but the algorithm and censors and stuff are funny about certain words, so I just wanted to make it safe. So, for that particular episode, because they're talking about the tablet and the spell, I decided to go with this nail polish from Nina. Very similar in shade. One is more pink based, one is more purple based, but similar enough. And this is the shade Spell on You. It is so stinking pretty. I'm going to have fun with this one. And I'm going to be bringing this one in for 3 uses like I did with the other one. It's going to take a little bit longer to get 3 uses because it's not something I'm going to use all the time, but I want to get use on it, so this is the way to do it. All right, now we need to do Season 8, Episode 2. Let's get back to Wikipedia. And that episode is called What's Up, Tiger Mommy? And it says, Kevin, Sam, and Dean locate Kevin's mother and rescues her from demons. She insists on coming with them. They chase down the Word of God tablet to an auction for supernatural beings, but Crowley still manages to get away with it. Kevin decides to take his mother and leave for fear that their association with the Winchesters will get them unalived. Dean has recollections from his time in purgatory, wherein, after much searching, he and Benny locate Castiel. I am actually going to go with the title of this particular episode because this one was a hard one to find a correlation to a beauty product, but since this one's called What's Up, Tiger Mommy, I went with the tiger theme, and I am bringing in the BH Cosmetics Bottom Free palette. You can see it has like the tiger stripes on here, and I just want to get 5 uses on this palette. It doesn't matter which color I use, I just want to get some use on it. I will not count the blue when I use the blue because I have that in another project, but every other shade is fair game. I just want to use this 5 times. I don't think that's going to be super hard. I just have to make sure that I get it into one of my makeup baskets. So that is my update for this month, and I do feel like I could potentially get some more use on these shades here. If I could hold on to them and not drop them. If I get these into my makeup basket for this upcoming week, and then maybe 2 weeks from now, I might be able to get my last 2 uses on them. That would be kind of ideal. So maybe alternate weeks. Next week, take a week off, and then have it in the week after. Get my uses on it, and potentially have 3 rollouts for the next update. I suppose it's possible I could get 2 more uses on Blue Blood. This is an easier shade for me to work with because it does match my Pan That palette. So that could be a possibility. And who knows? The fact that I have a lot of variety here, I could make this work with a lot of different things that I'm working on. But I do not think I could get a full refresh and have 3 uses done on the nail polish. So 3 or 4, maybe 5 rollouts for next update is potential. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see what happens. But I do feel like next update is going to be pretty exciting for me. All right, definitely go check out some of the other people that have joined into this project. Like I said, they're going to be linked down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.